Want to start your own business but don't know where to begin? Today we'll break it down step by step in a simple, easy to follow guide. Everything starts with an idea. Think about what you're passionate about or problems you see around you that need solving. Your business should either solve a problem or make life easier for people. Jot down a few ideas and pick the one that excites you most. Next, research your market. Who are your competitors? Who is your audience? Use online tools, surveys, or social media to understand what people want. The more you know, the better your business decisions will be. A business plan is your roadmap. Outline your goals, costs, and revenue expectations, and marketing strategies. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even a simple one-page plan can keep you on track. Every business needs money to start. This could be your savings, loans or investors, or crowdfunding. Figure out how much you need to launch and grow. And plan carefully to avoid financial stress. Finally, launch your business. Make a strong first impression with a website or social media profiles, or a local opening. Promote consistently, engage with your audience, and keep improving your products or services. Marketing is key. The world won't know about your business unless you tell them. Starting a business might seem hard, but step by step, it's completely doable. Start today and keep learning along the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on business, money, and success.